guys, I almost didn't see you there. Just kidding. ये सेटअप करने में मेरे को 1 घंटा लग चुका है.
But yeah.
अगर आपने इस वीडियो का टाइटल देख लिया है तो आपको पता है कि दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड यू गाइज. यू डोंट नो मेरे को कितने टाइम बाद ये मिले हैं प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे. मोर देन 1 month एंड दैट इज मे बी बिकॉज लॉकडाउन लग गया था एंड एवरीथिंग एंड आई रिसीव्ड देम येस्टरडे. सो here is a haul for you guys because you guys requested me on Instagram. So tada! अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी मेरे जितने भी pieces मैंने खरीदे हैं and I'll try them and show you how they look. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, how do I like our look today? I have literally worn the same thing I wore last night. That is this t-shirt and these pair of shorts and jewelry because I love them. Sara kuch everything will be linked in the bottom bar down below and
I got ready after quite a while now, like क्योंकि lockdown हो गया था and I didn't really shoot anything because I was setting this whole pretty beautiful thing up and yeah, मैं ज़्यादा बकवास कर रही हूँ, लोग कमेंट करेंगे कि मैं haul को दिखा रही हूँ, so let's go.
so I got this deal of 1199, that is basically 1200 rupees, plus there was some amount of taxes involved and the very first piece that I got from that particular deal is this green top. I mean, I love this, you know, you can clearly see how obsessed with green I am. Everything is green around me and this is a very pretty cute sa top. It's in sage green color and it's in the size small. I could have gone for medium. I think, I don't know if I'll fit in this, but yeah, let's see. So how do I look? I'm low-key impressed with this top and I like the neckline. Like, not like, I love the neckline. It's square in shape and has a balloon sleeves and I think it's gorgeous, guys. Don't mind my shorts. मैंने shorts नहीं बदले हैं. And it has a similar neckline पीछे से also. And how do we like it? I mean, I love it completely. Honestly, I mean, wow. Like, this is so cute. I mean, and for 400 rupees, I don't think it's a bad deal at all. Like, Urbanic में आपको इस तरीके के tops ना around 800-900 rupees में मिलेंगे. So this is in the size small and I think ठीक ही किया मैंने, medium नहीं लिया, small because the fabric of this one ना ये वो stretchy वाला fabric है. So won't really mind if medium भी ले लेती या small ले लेती. So you can, you know, इसमें size का इतना ज़्यादा कुछ पंगा नहीं है. Love it. Let's try the second one now. I'm so excited. You guys just look at this gorgeous top. I mean, I'm in love. Like, malab, just look at it. I mean, this is so pretty, you guys. The print is amazing. I absolutely love it. I don't really wear prints that much, but this one has my heart for sure. I really like this neckline. As you can see, it has a sweetheart sort of a neck and इसके भी ना पीछे से this shredded वाला thing going on, so which is the same as the previous one, but इसके सामने boobs एरिया मुझे थोड़ा सा tight हो रहा है. अगर मैं थोड़ा और weight gain कर ले तो this wouldn't really fit me anymore, but अभी के लिए it is fine. It's in the size medium, so I won't say that size charts are really accurate because ये medium है, मेरे को थोड़ा सा tight हो रहा है. वो small था and it was fine. So yeah, this is so pretty. I am so happy with this order. मतलब अगर मेरे को जो third top है वो अच्छा नहीं भी लगाना तो I am like sold because मेरे को दो चीज़ें अच्छी मिल चुकी हैं. In this you can also wear it like off shoulder हिसाब से, if you know what I mean. Like, it's like another vibe totally. So yeah, I mean, I love you street style store. तुम मेरी ज़िंदगी में पहले क्यों नहीं आए? Let me try on the third top. अच्छा wait, ये ना सारे material are very like polyester-y, so ये ध्यान रखना because since you are paying so less, so don't expect like really good quality material. ठीक है, like इतनी गर्मी में नहीं पहना आप जाएगा, but then like it's good for October, November और you know February, March वाले time में. And guys, ये मतलब event वगैरह में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because look at the balloon sleeves and I especially really like the sleeves of it. Just look at it guys. I mean the detailing is another level का. You know वो Victorian era वाले जो tops नहीं होते हैं, sweetheart neck, full sleeves, and you know it has got elastic यहाँ sleeves में. So guys just look at the third top. I mean wow, like I am so loving it. It has a similar neckline. It's in the size small, but ये मेरे को apparently थोड़ा loose है. यहाँ मतलब आप देख सकते होगे like this is sort of loose. I mean it's perfect if you have bigger boobs. You'll get a lot of space. But मेरे लिए थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है ये यहाँ से. But otherwise it's so amazing. It's a little deep गला इसका. So if you're not comfortable, you can wear a spaghetti underneath it. It will look equally brilliant. And oh my god, it has a tie-up detail right at the end, so if you want this to be a little chota, you can of course do that, and you can make it a sari blouse. Like look at it, I mean so sexy and pretty and cute all at the same time. I absolutely love it. Iska bhi piche se there's a square neck thing going on, and Street Style Store, I love you. Please मेरे को अपने सारे कपड़े दे दो. Guys, I'm telling you, like get these three for this deal. You are gonna love it. The Street Style Store also has an offline store at Hoskas. मैं गई थी वहाँ पे एक बारी. I'll link the video here. You can check it out, the location, everything. I've shared everything in that video. And yeah, that is about it. It was my first time ordering online, and I love it. Like I would give a 2 big fat thumbs up, and I don't mind waiting for a month to get these beautiful pieces. I mean, I'm sold. I love it. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this, and I make a lot of haul videos like this. I'll link a couple of them in the description box. मेरे चैनल में जाओ, चेकआउट करो. अच्छा लगता है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो. It would mean a lot to me. Share this video with the ones who like Street Style Store, who like fashion, and who like to shop online just like me. And yeah, I will see you next time. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.